Recording, got the sound. Oh! Welcome back, Wolfpack. I know it's been a little bit longer than I wanted it to be since the last time I talked to you. Got you that Batman series, though. But seriously, I know it's been a while since my last video, and there's been a reason for that. And no, it's not that I've abandoned the channel. I haven't. It may have seemed that I have, but I didn't. I did not abandon the channel. But I do want to be honest with you guys. I really just wasn't having fun with what I was doing anymore. Video games, which used to be my go-to stress reliever, suddenly became a chore. They were no longer fun for me, and I felt like I couldn't play a video game unless I was doing it on camera. And I didn't want to disappoint you guys, which was disappointing me. I also love video essays. The problem with them is there are so many amazing creators out there making phenomenal video essays that for mine to even matter, I would have to be putting them out at a quality and quantity that I just don't feel I could serve you guys at this time. However, there is something that I've always wanted to do for this channel, and it was in a way always the goal, but I never really had the ability to do it until now. I am very excited to let you guys know that as of November 3rd, I am officially moving to Orlando, Florida. That's right, I'm leaving the Mitten State, and I will be making my way down to Orlando to finish up my degree in digital cinematography, as well as pursue other interests, which leads me to the channel. This channel is now officially becoming the Wolfpack Studios travel vlog channel. Now, I do still plan on bringing you guys my projects and short films while I have them, but the main bulk of content on this channel is going to be me, ideally coast to coast, even maybe in the future. I mean, nothing's set in stone. I would love to eventually take us on some trips through, Germany, France, even Japan and the Republic of Korea. But ideally for right now, I'm going to be taking you guys from coast to coast throughout Florida for all the best attractions and places to visit, tourist, local, whatever it may be, but especially, as you know, my love, theme parks. Walt Disney World and Universal Orlando Resort are going to be seen a lot on this channel, and I cannot wait to take you guys with me. With that being said, that leads me to the next major announcement I have for you guys. I'm going to be making magic as a cast member at Walt Disney World! I can't tell you guys too much about my role yet. Not that I know that much. All I can tell you guys is it is a quick service role, so if you see me throughout the parks, definitely say hi. I would love to meet you guys, and I can't wait to bring you on some awesome journeys. Now, I will be starting with Disney officially on November 13th. And then throughout that period of time, starting in the beginning of November, I want to bring you some awesome Florida content. But, as you guys know, depending on when you're watching this, it is still October, and I didn't really want to wait those few weeks before putting something on the channel. So with the exception, of course, of this video, I also plan on bringing you a couple of my favorite places to go here in the state of Michigan. So first and foremost, I'm going to be bringing you with me to an awesome haunted attraction. There are a couple that I really like in the state. I'm not 100% sure which one it'll be, but when the video goes up, which should be in the next few days or so, it may already be up. I don't have that figured out, but the video's coming, and you guys will know at that time what haunted event it will be. But also, I plan on taking you guys to one of my favorite stops in the state of Michigan, and that is the Henry Ford. So I'm going to show you guys what that's all about and let you see my final journey there before making it down to the Panhandle. So once again, thank you guys for not abandoning me. I definitely haven't abandoned you, and in fact, I can tell you guys with 100% certainty that you haven't seen anything yet, because this is when the fun starts, this is when the journeys are going to happen, and it's going to get nothing but magical from here. So once again, it's been so long since I've done this. How should I really end things? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it to everyone you know, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell for all the notifications, because you're not going to want to miss a single magical journey that the Wolfman's got planned for you. Once again, thank you so much, and this is the Wolfman, signing out.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.